Hello everyone, this is a quick rundown on how to find and use our Bookflix slides. If you are on our Instagram page, either on the website or via the app, you will see a link in our bio. If you click that, it will bring up a list of links that you might find useful. The second link is Bookflix. Bookflix is designed to look like the homepage of Netflix. The first line is here all the time and it's called Trending Now, and it is the most popular books borrowed in the last month. The second row show the last 10 books that we have added to our collection. And the last row will change every week or so. You can click on any of these titles and it will bring up more information. It tells you that there is one season available. That's because it is a standalone book. Other titles may say things like season 6 out of 6, showing that it is the last book in the series and that we have 3 of those books available in our library collection. It also shows the year it was published, it gives a blurb of the book, and down here you will see 4 icons. This first one, the pile of books, shows that it is a physical book that you can find on our library shelf. The second one looks like an iPad, indicating that we have an ebook version of this book that you can read and download today. The pink speech bubble shows that we have a graphic novel version of the book. And the headphones show that we have an audiobook version. If you were to click on these icons, it will bring up more information. This is the link to the ebook version. Unfortunately, somebody does already have this on loan, but you can place a hold on this at any point and you will receive an email when it is available. Some of these books are digital versions, either ebook or audiobook, that you can borrow yourself right now. You do not have to be at school. It does not have to be school hours. However, some of these books are print copies and obviously you will have to be at school to pick those up. If there are any books here that you're particularly interested in, you can always place a hold on them and I will put them aside for you to pick up when you get a chance. You can do this in 2 ways. First, there is a link to a Google form in that same list of links that you will find on Instagram. You fill that in and I will get the book ready for you. The other option is to email me directly, and I put my address here on the page. The same thing will happen. You just tell me what book you want and I will get it ready for you. I hope you find this collection interesting. It's just a new way to explore some of the books we have available to you. If you have a great idea for a curated list like you would find on Netflix, please give me a shout and I'll be happy to include it. Happy reading.